fear of failure. This is one that a client of mine was recently dealing with, and he told me something that, okay, well, I'm afraid it's probably fear of failure, right? It's like that's what the mind jumps to. And I told this client, well, I mean, how can it be fear of failure? You're failing literally every single day, that you're not taking the action step towards that which you want, which, or for some people, it may even just not even deciding what is it that you want, because that's also like people have that fear of, I don't want to say what I really want. I don't want to allow myself to want it because what if I fail? What if I'm not enough? And it's kind of like if I say it, if I affirm it, if I claim it, and then it doesn't work out, then I'm going to be a failure, right? Then I'm going to label myself as a failure. And I'm going to assign meaning that if I didn't accomplish this thing, that means I failed. And I told this client, well, it's not, it doesn't really make sense because you're failing every single day that you're not deciding, or you're failing every single day that you're not taking that action step. So how can you be afraid of something that you're like really good at? Because you're great at it. You're doing it every single day. It's like second nature to you. So what we're actually afraid of, what we're really afraid of is success. Because success towards that which we want implies getting out of the comfort zone. It's not about the accomplishment. It's like when we're asking that which we want, there is this powerful way that is affectionate detachment. That I really want it and I'm giving my all to it, but I'm also detached from the result. The win, when you're asking for what you want, the win is not in whether you're going to get it or not. The win is in, I really spoke my truth and I said what I wanted, and that is the win. You're not afraid of failure. Whoever's watching this, if you're there, oh yeah, I'm afraid of failure, you're not afraid of failure. You're afraid of success. You're afraid of what will happen in that unknown. Failure is familiar. Again, we're failing every single day by being in the comfort zone when what we actually want is out there. We're failing every single day. We know this. This is familiar. This is safe. That's not what we're afraid of. We're afraid of success. What if I succeed? Who is this person that I might become? I don't know how to keep up with this role. I don't know what success looks like. I don't know what being limitless feels like, and that is freaking terrifying. Just taking a deep breath into that and really asking yourself, that's what I'm inviting you here with this video, asking yourself, what is it that I'm afraid of? What might happen? If I actually succeed, what does that mean? And this is something that I guide my clients a bit deeper through when they're in a subconscious state. Really going deeper with that, because your mind will just give you something. No. Keep going deeper with that. There is something beneath that. What does it mean if you succeed? So if you say you have a goal, right? And ask yourself, what does it mean if I achieve it? And your mind's going to throw something at you. Go lower. What else does it mean? And then what else does it mean? And then what else does it mean? And there's going to be a trigger, something that is keeping you, that's resistance. This is why that resistance is coming up. It's like, I don't want this. And it's likely something good. It's likely something unfamiliar, but that which you really want. There's a direct association with this. What we fear is also what we most desire. So be courageous enough to really bring that to awareness, not to shift it necessarily, but just bring it to awareness, because that's so much of the work of just understanding what is it that's guiding me, what is it that's pushing me to act the way I do. Bringing the subconscious up to the conscious, because there's that powerful quote by Carl Jung that this which we do not bring to consciousness ends up running our lives, and then we call it fate. It's not fate. It's all in your control. So with this video, I invite you to be courageous, and I invite you to go deeper into your practices. Go into that which raises your frequency, raises your vibration. And if this is something that you want help with, check out the Powerful Self membership. That is a monthly membership where we have 3 either workshops or meditations or practices, as well as a live call that will help you in exactly that, in raising your frequency, because there are so many things, there are enough things that are bringing our vibration down, and I'm committed to supporting you and raising that up. So if this is something that you want, definitely check it out. The link is in the bio, or if you're watching this on YouTube, it's below, and I'll see you in the next one.